Hola clase, espero que todos estén bien. En este video vamos a hablar sobre lo que tienen que hacer para esta semana. ¿Ok? Todavía estamos aquí en el módulo 1. Ustedes ya terminaron el video de introducción, la prueba del syllabus y también las actividades de la primera semana de BHL. Ya todo esto lo entregaron. Lo que nos falta en el futuro va a ser la primera presentación oral que ustedes van a hacer por VoiceThread. Y esto se entrega el 29 de septiembre, domingo, antes de la medianoche. Bien, y si vamos aquí, estamos aquí en Content, vamos al módulo 1, le bajamos, módulo 1, y aquí tenemos presentaciones orales con todas las instrucciones. Ya tienen el tema listo. Okay, we are going to have 2 different presentations throughout the semester. You should be making sure your presentation is in Spanish, needs to have at least 5 PowerPoint slides, be recorded in VoiceThread, and at least 5 minutes in length. This is our first topic. Identify a problem with university education at your university or across the United States. Discuss the problem and use the present subjunctive to give suggestions, recommendations, and advice on how to improve the situation. Okay, here is how it will be graded. Make sure that you do share the VoiceThread file with the class, because if you do not, then I will not be able to see it, and if I cannot see it, I am not able to grade it. So make sure you go down here where it says grading rubrics, and then this will give you all the rubrics that we use in the course, from compositions to the partner dialogue, as well as the presentación oral que ustedes tienen aquí. Okay, so you will be making sure that this is in VoiceThread. Okay, and it'll just basically be posted above our introducciones. Okay, so here's our introductions. You'll just post them in the same area. Bien, so that's what is something that we do have coming up. Y esto se entrega el 29 de septiembre. Falta todavía poquito, ¿verdad? So we still have a little bit of time for this. Si luego vamos aquí al VHL, vemos que la semana que viene, vamos a ver lo que hay que entregar. Para el 15 de septiembre, ahora sí tenemos diferentes partner dialogues, okay? So we do have partner dialogues for due on the 15th. We did not have any due on the 8th, just on the 15th is our first one. This is our first one. The partner chat is indicated here. 6.1 posibilidades, 6.2 ¿qué sucedió? So make sure that you and your partner are reviewing that. If you do not know where to find your partner, remember we're here at our D2L site. You'll go to groups, and then your partner information should be here. I do see that one of the groups, the first one here, has a group of 3. So if you do have a group of 3, you will record in Zoom instead of VHL, and then you'll send me the Zoom file, because VHL only allows 2 partners to record, but since there is one group of 3, because we have an odd number, please record using Zoom, and that way you're able to send me the files. You'll still use the same prompts, it's just through Zoom. Bien, and ahora que estamos hablando de gramática, I wanted to show you guys as well. I have put for you in the grammar overview section different PowerPoints. So you have here, these are just the PowerPoint presentations of some of the grammar points we're going to be seeing, like the present perfect, subjunctive, past subjunctive, etc. And if you go down a little bit, it is the same PowerPoint, but with my video voiceover, kind of explaining the topic. So it's what you guys are going to be seeing on VHL. It's just a different explanation. So if that's helpful for you, you can go through those as well. Reach out to me if you have any questions. I also do want to point out that in the syllabus, we'll go back to the syllabus. Okay, under student instructor interactions. Okay, you are responsible for keeping track of all of the information, watching all of the videos in their entirety. Um, Not watching a video doesn't excuse you from an assignment. Make sure that you allow 24 hours during the week, Monday through Friday, for responding to emails. As well, over the weekends, instructors are not required to respond. And I know that all of our due dates are on Sundays, so please make sure that if you do have a question, you are emailing me Friday. The latest probably would be around 5 o'clock Tucson time. That in order for me to try to get back to you, because if not, I do not review any of my emails over the weekend, and I won't see it until Monday morning. And that's especially important coming up because I know some people have emailed that they're having issues um, either logging into VHL or they can't find their partner. And I'm definitely here to help you in all of those situations. But I need you guys to please make sure that you are emailing me with some time. Okay, so make sure that you're emailing me throughout the week. That if you have questions, you let me know ahead of time, um, and allow at least 24 hours for a response for your email if it's Monday through Friday. Bien? Okay. Además, I think that that's it. We don't really have that much more going on this week. So really this week, all that you'll have to do are the VHL activities and the partner dialogues. And we do have this oral presentation coming up. And I'll be going through and grading the introduction videos, and then the VHL activities are graded by unit. So once we have completed the first unit, I will update those grades in D2L. So, espero que tengan una buena semana. Okay. Mándenme un correo, por favor, si tienen alguna pregunta o duda. Okay. Hasta luego, guapos.